Well, guys, we're in the airport today, headed out to Seattle, but just wanted to take a second to thank everyone for reaching 1,000 subs. If you've been here since the beginning of this thing, where we bought an airplane and came back to flying after 25 years away as a 1,500-hour commercial pilot, and spent about 200 hours plus flying the first airplane and sold it. Well, those adventures are about to happen all over again as we're finished up the VTOL. We bought Frank Hell's old airplane that's been around the world 3 times, put a new engine on it, a new IO 550. It'll put it along at 182 knots, reach a peak, put a good 130 to 150 in the panel and interior, and just totally revised the whole airplane. So if you're new here, get ready to ride along. That adventure is going to be the same, but it'll be a little bit different and a little bit better from this point forward, as we've got a couple of ATP pilots involved in the ownership of this airplane, and we've got one more guy with his high time Bonanza pilot that's coming on. So be a little bit more cast of characters, but a lot of the same adventure, getting out and seeing the world from a general aviation point of view. So welcome back if you've been here. Welcome if you haven't. Get ready. The adventure is going to start in a couple of weeks as we finish the test flights on the new systems in the airplane.